MM2, but this name is this awesome
Sabi natin,
game.
kunyari, 100,
But trying
tapos
this
for
game, by the
6
way.
months siya payment. Sa'yo, di ba 4 months lang?
Okay. Who's the mother?
Ang nakakaano.
By the way, this is fake. This name is this awesome game. Look. It's close.
Tapos sa bangko na yun, ilang buwan na yun.
It's just a balloon. Oh, what machine gun is it? Bro, it's okay.
Grabe, may processing fee pa.
What is this? Is this new? I didn't play this.
Nakahangan niya kasi akala niya ano.
I just see it. Oh, show the proof. Okay. Let me show you the proof.
Ang laki talaga.
So you believe it. This awesome game. This is the
Sabi ko nga, hindi ako inaano nun eh. Hindi na umulit. Yung si Ate Will, Judith na dapat ng 15, no? Ay ng 13.
I will use this. By the way, this is auto. I don't know.
Kasi may
I know
ginagawa
how
ko
to.
tapos si Aldrin.
I don't know how to. Won't have this yet.
Tapos nag-text ako, Ate Will, magbukas ko na lang po send. Tapos ito yung mama. Hindi ko nakapag-reply eh. Nag-reply lang kayo sa
Just trying my best to be a content creator. Guys, thank you for the subs. I appreciate it.
Mabilis naman yun eh.
It's a 33 subs. It's good. Yeah, at least it's so good. It's a close. I just wanna live stream of it, but I don't have 50 subs. I thought it was 15. Okay, let's do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no, it's so close. What's this? This is the auto roll up. I see. Bruh. Let me try this. I know I'm going to lose, but not giving up. I will use all my powers. Yes, this is my power. Did you know the bank?
Sige po. Puntahan namin.
Oh.
Hindi na kami makatutuloy ngayon sa ano nila yun. Yung 18. Nangako kasi ako sa kanila lang. Mas sige. Kakain kami tapos nilalaro ko sila ng English sa namin ko. Ang ano naman, wala pa yung sahod ko. Yung 7 araw na pinasok.
That's true, guys.
Hindi pa na-process. Baka ito gumawa ko ng memo para i-process nila. Baka mamaya magkaroon pa ng problema. Yung ano
Thanks.
July 1. May ang cut-off namin 10 eh. So may pinasok akong 7 araw. Ayun, yung isa kasi nag-save ako eh.
Look at this. What?
Ng Lunes.
That, it's so good.
Tapos yung 8 naman, under 10 ako nababoring.
good.
Parang wala akong ginagawa kasi dito ko sa bahay. Yun nga na talaga wala. Kasi pa, isang araw, kaya November time ako, no? Hindi pa, yun pala.
Great.
Hindi parang ang mangyayari. Hindi ko
No.
sahod na nila kayo.
I will look at my records.
Nagtanong ako sa ako,
It's so.
pwede na si Tati tayo.
I've been using this. Oh.
Great.
Oh,
Great.
there will now be
Great.
in July 18, but it's okay. It's July
Kaya lang
18.
kami naman
Great.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry guys.
Great.
kasi baka mamaya tumaas pa.
Great.
Kasi namin iba ng
What else?
yung ano na eh. Yung
Many
yung-
steps.
Good.
Many.
Dito sa bayan labas.
I will be. If you make me a content creator, then thank you. But if you don't like to be, you don't like me to be a content creator, it's okay. I will put all my jobs over there.
Great.
You wanna show the proof of this? Okay. Let's do it when it's done.
Good.
So this is it. My channel.
Magalang na
This is this. Look at
mag-research din ako.
this. Bye-bye. It's okay if you don't let this.
Sakay kasi
Bye-bye.
ako ng jeep, di ba?